Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss how to assign quizzes and assignments to the students and especially how to type Urdu and Arabic in your assignment or document. So before going to MS Team, I will show you how to add language in Windows 10. So for that you have to type in the search box language setting. So at the top it's came language setting. In language setting, we have option of add a preferred language. As I already installed Urdu, English, or by default English is installed, Arabic. So for example, if I remove it from here, Urdu, I can add it again by clicking on it and typing Urdu. It will give you two options, Urdu India and Urdu Pakistan. I have selected Urdu Pakistan. So it will take some time and it will installed over here. So it is installed now in over here. So I'm going to close it. Now I will open Microsoft Team, and yes, on the right side you can see the option of language setting from English to Urdu or Arabic. So you can type in Microsoft Word Urdu as well as Arabic. So for assigning the assignments to the students, we have assignment option in the left panel. Click on the assignment. It will ask you to assignment for which class. Choose a class. So I have a demo class at the bottom. Click on it, then next. Now we have option to create a new assignment, or we have an existing any previous assignment, or we want to generate a quiz. For example, right now I am assigning a new assignment. So new assignment, it is asking about the title. So the title is, for example, math word problems. If you have any instruction for this assignment, type it over here. Please solve without using calculator. This is just an instruction that is added in your assignment. So if you want to add the resource, so we have to click over here, add resources. If that resource is on my OneDrive or my class note, or I have to upload it from my device or hard disk, so I will select it, upload from my device. So randomly I am choosing one file. Let's quiz for automation. Uploading, yes, done. This assignment is uploaded in my new assignment section under the title of math words problem. So I can add some points. I can add rubric. I will tell you after some time about this add rubric in my video. So assign to, we have select a class demo, that is why it will be assigned to this class only. If you want to assign all the students, then it will be selected other all the students. If I will click over here, I can select any student to whom I want to assign this assignment, if individual student. But if I want to assign all the students, so click on all the students. Then the due date, the due date is 16th 17, that is 18 on Monday. And timing, it's okay, 11:59 p.m. So I can save it as well as I can assign it right now. If I am going to save it, it will just save, and later on I can assign to any class. But if I want to assign it right now, I will click on the assignment button, and this assignment has been assigned to the class demo. You can see, go over there, demo class. You have math word problem. The assignment is showing over here. So once again, now we will create assignment as a quiz. Create quiz. If you have made any quiz previously, you can select it from here, but if you want to make the new one, so we click on the new form. It will load a web page of office. If you are not signed in, it will ask you to sign in, but I have already signed it. Yes, so you can see here my sign in options. So I will select new quiz. So over here you can add a quiz of your choice. For example, if it's a multiple choice questions, so you will click on the choice option. If you had a text, you click on it, rating or date, so I am choosing the choice option. Over here you can type your quiz. Name the capital of Pakistan. If you have more option, and select the right one. So when the students will click on it, they can assign numbers or find the correct one. So to add another question, add the new one, again my choice. So this is how we can add quizzes on different topics. It is untitled, so I can add the title on it. General knowledge, and yes, you can see the preview. It will look like this, and you want to see how it will look like on the mobile, you can see in the preview section. Go to back, and I will close it. It will be saved in my team quiz. So when I will click on the general knowledge quiz, so it will be assigned to my class demo. Right over here, I will click on the sign once it is loaded. So I will click on the new quiz, and you can add the title over here. So for Urdu title, I have to select the language from here, Urdu, Arabic. So I have selected Urdu Pakistan, and I can type any title. Then select once again option of your choice. If it's multiple choice questions, click on choice. If it's text based questions, click on text. If it's rating based or date based questions, so select according to your choice. I am selecting the options choice. So over here you can type once again Urdu, because you have selected language as Urdu, but it is writing from right to left. You can change this setting from the writing direction, and left to right, so right to left. So it will be like this as we write in Urdu. Same thing in the option box, click right direction, right to left, and type the option of this question. So I'm telling you one more easiest way, so you don't have to type, just speak or it will type for you. I'm adding choice based question over here, and In Google you have an option of Google Docs. Let me open it again. So in Google we have an option over a Google Apps. Click on Google Docs. Any blank document. Over here we have an option of voice typing in tools menu. In tools, voice typing. So when I will click on this microphone, it will start recording my voice. By default the language is set to English. For example, if I'm typing English, so whatever I am speaking, it is going to write it on the screen. You can see it. Then I can change the language. For example, Urdu. Over here once again we have two options: Urdu Bharat, Urdu Pakistan. So anyone you can select either Urdu Pakistan or Urdu Bharat, right? So I will speak, sorry, I will speak something in Urdu, or it will write it, but it is not very good enough in Urdu speech recognition. So let's see. सवाल नंबर 1, पाकिस्तान का दारुल हुकूमत कौन सा शहर है? इस्लामाबाद, कराची, लाहौर. So you can see it typed whatever I said in Urdu. So what you can do, you can select your line from here, just copy it and paste in your quiz. By this way you don't have to type, you just speak and copy paste your lines over here. Once again, option Islamabad, copy, in option 1 paste Islamabad, in option 2 we will paste Lahore, and once again you can change the direction by writing direction right to left, writing direction right to left, once again writing direction right to left. So there is an easy method in which we can make this whole page in Urdu. So we'll select settings from here, go to the Google advanced setting. Over here we have a language option. So by default we have only two languages. Once again we have to add the other language. Now Urdu, select Urdu and then add. It is added at the bottom. What you have to do, move it to the top. Now it's on the top. So what will happen, this whole page will be in Urdu right now. Add choice. I'm going to refresh it. Now you can see this whole page is in Urdu. नया शामिल करें, इंतखाब. Now you can type your questions over here. Sorry, first select the language from the bottom. Urdu and type your Urdu quiz, or you can do it in the assignments as well. And once more, from typing over here, you can type Arabic as well. Like I will select the language Arabia. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ahlan wa sahlan marhaba. Khamseen riyal. Riyalain. So this is how you can type Arabic, and the same way you can copy it and paste it in your quiz. So when I will close it, it will be saved, and you can see it in your quiz section. Right here, click on this, click next. This quiz is assigned to your students. In the same way we have assigned the assignments, demo class, all the students, due date, timings. It is uploaded now. Click on assign. So you can see in the teams demo class, this quiz has been assigned to the students, which is in Urdu. View assignment. No one submitted. So that's all. Thank you very much. Allah.